Every Honda motorcycle begins long before the first engine starts. It all begins here, where thousands of raw materials arrive every day, each one waiting to become part of a machine trusted by millions of riders around the world.
Line it up, right there. Slowly, set it down. Received. Next one.
Pallet secured, moving to storage. Received the crates, checking manifest. Watch the coils, don't want them damaged.
Before a single piece of steel is cut, engineers first build the motorcycle in the digital world. Every curve, every bolt, and every millimeter is carefully planned to ensure strength, safety, and long-term reliability.
Frame number 11 is ready for transfer. Confirming batch 11 completed. Moving frames to stacking area.
This is where dozens of separate steel parts become one solid motorcycle frame. Robotic welders work with incredible precision, creating the backbone that will support the bike for years to come.
The clearance here is also too tight. Let's scan it again. Data's clean. Status, pass.
Chemical bath. Rinse. Drying line. Clean frame. Anti-rust treatment.
Steel is strong, but without protection, it would eventually rust. This special electrocoating process covers every hidden corner of the frame, giving it a durable shield against corrosion. The heart of every Honda motorcycle starts here. Aluminum is heated to extreme temperatures until it becomes molten metal, ready to be transformed into a powerful engine block. Once the casting is complete, precision takes over. CNC machines remove tiny amounts of metal with microscopic accuracy, ensuring every engine component fits together perfectly.
Precision machining. Quality check. Pass. Precision manufactured. Forging. CNC finishing. Measurement. Finished rods. Honda engineering. Gearbox gears are precision cut. Gear machining. Gear teeth close up. Oil cooling. Finished gears. Digital check complete. Visually clear. Verified. Passed.
Hundreds of carefully manufactured parts now come together. Every step of the engine assembly process follows strict quality standards because even the smallest mistake could affect performance.
Precision alignment is critical.
Verified.
Installing housing. Complete.
Before an engine is approved, it has to prove itself. On the dynamometer, engineers test its power, efficiency, and reliability, making sure it performs exactly as designed. Paint is much more than color. These robotic systems apply an even durable coating that not only gives the motorcycle its signature appearance, but also protects it from the elements.
Pass.
Next up, suspension assembly. Components ready. Filling procedure? Carefully. Completed inspection. Looks good. Brake disc aligned. Caliper installed. Bolts tightened. Inspection complete.
Cable routing complete. Fitting connectors. Continuity test passed. Finished.
After thousands of individual manufacturing steps, everything finally comes together. This is the beginning of the final assembly line, where a motorcycle starts taking its recognizable shape. One of the most exciting
Precision
moments in the
mounting
factory
verified.
is when the engine meets the frame.
Alignment is
In
spot
just a
on.
few precise
Final
movements,
check required.
separate components become a real motorcycle. Modern motorcycles are packed with electronics. Before leaving the factory, every sensor, every circuit, and the entire ECU are carefully calibrated to ensure flawless performance. Building a motorcycle isn't enough. It has to earn the right to leave the factory. Professional test riders push every bike through acceleration, braking, and handling checks to confirm everything works perfectly.
Handlebars are secure.
Production may be complete, but the journey is only beginning.
Mirrors are tight.
Carefully secured inside transport trucks, these brand new Honda motorcycles are shipped to dealerships across the country. From raw steel and molten aluminum to open roads and unforgettable journeys, thousands of precise manufacturing steps lead to this single moment, the first ride. For the rider, it's the beginning of a new adventure. If you enjoy the process, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.